Nash from Bold Dentistry, and today I have decided to change our usual location where I usually shoot my videos to over here outside where there is fresh air to breathe. Because just like me, I'm pretty sure that a lot of you guys have spent the whole pandemic at home, and I really hope that you're spending more time now outside since most of the countries eased the restrictions. Anyways, let's get to our today's dental case, which I'm pretty sure a lot of you probably suffer from, bruxism. And like always, we will explain what does it mean, the symptoms, the causes, the treatments, and how to prevent it. Let's start with the definition. And I actually already mentioned teeth grinding in another video of mine, gum recession, and teeth grinding is what dental bruxism means. And bruxism in general means grinding or clenching of teeth, and when the teeth of the mandibula grinds with the teeth of the maxilla, they lead to something called dental abfraction. So if you don't know what dental abfraction means, it is the loss of the tooth structure, which may also lead to dental attrition, which is when the biting surfaces of the tooth get flattened out, exposing the dentin, which may lead to tooth hypersensitivity and cavity. Okay, now that we're done with the definition, let's move on to the causes. So the causes of dental bruxism are pretty clear and easy to remember. You have crooked teeth, stress, dehydration, and it can also be a side effect of some kind of medications. And that's it. Symptoms are, for example, hearing noises. When the person next to you is sleeping, you can hear his teeth grinding. Of course, he doesn't feel it. He doesn't know that he's doing it. He doesn't know that his teeth are grinding, but once you hear it, you should tell him so he can go and to the dentist. Other symptoms, we have earaches, neck pain, back pain, tooth immobility around the gum line, fractured tooth, fractured cusps, and worn cusps. Okay, now I have decided to talk about the treatment and the prevention at the same time. So there are actually two types of bruxism: morning bruxism and night bruxism. To prevent morning bruxism, you can either do it by behavior modification or by using your tongue. Every time you feel like your teeth are going to clench, you just use your tongue to stop them. And for night bruxism, you can either use mouth guards or occlusional splints. In severe cases though, you might need muscle relaxants or oral surgery with Botox or Dysport. There are also some home remedies that you can try. Well, more like lifestyle modifications, such as avoiding depressants such as alcohol, lowering your intake of stimulants, for example, caffeine and nicotine, and by avoiding unnecessary chewing, like for example, chewing pens, pencils, etc. You know what I mean. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from today's video, and if you did, please support me by dropping a big thumbs up, by subscribing and commenting, and please make sure to follow my page on Instagram, where I post really interesting information about dentistry, which might help you now and in the future. Thank you so much.